Oh, okay. Just now I forgot to record, and I done everything about that Nescafe machine there. So this ma'am here is Masuri, and that guy there, this guy here is Razlan. So this place is called the Clubhouse in Penang Swimming Club, where they have this dance session here. Don't know what nights they have, but this is a very big space to dance on. So that's Muhammad Razlan and Sabir. And coffee there. Okay. The Nescafe machine, they have this containers inside the machine that has Milo. They have Arabic coffee. What's the Arabic coffee called again?
Sorry?
What's the coffee called again?
Altarica.
Altarica. So the Altarica is the coffee they use for the black coffee and also for the espresso. So it's just a control. He's bringing the boxes of Milo, Altarica coffee powder, and also maybe some Nescafe. So the machine they have the black coffee, the espresso, the Milo, and the teh tarik. So this facility here is only from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. So it's very beautiful scenery around this clubhouse here. Very beautiful indeed. Let's do a round up or round about. And as you can see there, there's a mountain. That's I think that's part of Penang, or either it's part of Kedah. I'm not sure. It's quite a big mountain there. Very big indeed. And to find out more about that one, because it would be interesting to actually go up there, because it looks pretty high up. So better go and ask around the chick there. Excuse me, tumpang bertanya Masuri. Saya nak tanya itu pasal itu gunung kan? Itu gunung. Apa nama gunung itu?
Sana macam Gunung Jerai.
Gunung Jerai. Itu Kedah atau Penang?
Kedah.
Kedah. Itu sangat tinggi.
Oh, tinggi.
Boleh naik atas ke?
Jangan go there boleh naik Gunung Jerai.
Hah?
Boleh naik.
Jalan.
Jalan besar. Naik jeep.
Jeep ah. Bagaimana nak pergi atas?
Go to the Kedah
Pergi.
station there.
Aha.
Go way to Gunung Jerai. Then go up there.
Then what kind of towns are there? Apa village atau Alostar? So Alostar dekat
No, tak sampai Lostar lagi. In the middle ni lah.
middle. So kalau saya nak
Batu there.
Batu Ferringhi,
Then bridge. Then go to that side. Go to Kedah way there. The highway there.
ada sign lah.
Ada
Gunung
sign, ada.
Jerai.
Ada.
Specifically Gunung Jerai, then you go up
Ada
there.
sign,
Oh okay, nice ah. Pernah pergi ah?
I tak kira tapi nice lah, Jawab saya nice.
Oh nice ah. Okay, thank you ah. Tapi ulu lah kan sana.
No lah, just town area like town area tu lah macam Fraser Hill like that.
Oh macam itu Cameron Highlands, Genting Highlands sana lah.
People there.
Sama ke? Sejuk ke sana?
Sejuk lah.
Oh, boleh naik
Scenery lah cantik.
boleh naik atas itu camp lah.
Boleh.
Ada harimau ke?
No lah, makan lah harimau.
Genting kan Cameron Highlands ada kan harimau?
Cameron Highlands biggest, it's not too big lah, not too high lah.
Oh, it's not as high as Cameron Highlands ah. Oh, okay. Thank you ah, Masuri. So, but this one actually looks pretty high up there, very high indeed. So it will be interesting to actually one day go up there, bring my camp around, tents and camp there, and hopefully there won't be any elephants or tigers to eat me. Of course, Masuri said there are no tigers there. So they have a lot of development up there. A lot. I don't know whether it's open or not. The white one there is at the end there. That one is very high up. Last time I counted, I think it's about 19, 20 floors. A lot of floors. Most likely will set you to like say 500,000 ringgit for a 900 square feet apartment. That one I'm not so sure, but I can see that the balcony looks pretty awesome indeed. Very big. Let me set down my camcorder here, which from now onwards I'll be filming with this camcorder from JVC. It's called the Averio designated GZ100. The quality of the image I'm not so sure. I don't know yet. So let's go and take a looky. Set it down and do some how to set it down properly. Fuck it, I'm gonna do it freestyle. Okay, never mind. Freestyle the damn thing. Look at the balcony, that looks great. Very big balcony indeed. I'm really enjoying the zoom capabilities of this camcorder here, which is like 40 times optical zoom. So there's a difference between an optical zoom and a digital zoom. If it's a digital zoom, don't use that because it's crap. It will become very blur because it's just upsizing the image. So optical zoom is the one that you should be concerned about. But nowadays the camcorders are like say the ones from say Panasonic, the newer ones, they go up to 50-60 optical zoom, which according to Glenn, the professional photographers, they do not like need all this high tech or so large strong zoom. Professional photographers, they only need like say 40 times the zoom capability of their DSLRs and whatnot. So this I'm very impressed with the zoom capabilities, and also the iOS, the ability to like say stabilize the image is pretty okay. I'm not so sure about whether it's as good as Panasonic's one or not. I'm not so sure either. So I'm going to use up this whole SD card. It's almost 32 gigs already, so I have another SD card coming in. So today is today is the 12th of November 2013, and it's going to stop this video here. So if you like what if you like this video, like it, and if you like what I do, subscribe. Okay, see you Malaysia. Bye bye.